several possible reasons for locating a day tank beneath the engine. One reason is space constraints. Placing the day tank beneath the engine may be necessary to optimize space utilization within the generator enclosure, allowing for more compact equipment and easier maintenance. Another reason is gravity feed. Positioning the day tank below the engine enables fuel to flow by gravity, simplifying the fuel delivery system and reducing the need for external pumps. Gravity feed can also help ensure a steady supply of fuel to the engine, particularly during periods of high demand. A third reason is improved fuel scavenging. By placing the day tank below the engine, the fuel is drawn upward through the fuel lines. This helps prevent the accumulation of air and debris in the lines, improving fuel scavenging and reducing the risk of fuel starvation. Fourth, heat dissipation is a possible reason. The location of the day tank beneath the engine can help dissipate heat from the engine block and exhaust system, minimizing fuel vaporization and potentially reducing the risk of fuel degradation or engine performance issues. Fifth, accessibility for maintenance can be a reason. While access to the day tank may be less convenient compared to a top-mounted configuration, placing it beneath the engine allows technicians to service or replace the tank without having to remove heavy engine components. Several considerations come into play, including adequate ventilation. The location of the day tank beneath the engine may require additional ventilation to prevent fuel vapors from accumulating and pose a safety hazard. A fuel return may be necessary. In some cases, a fuel return line may be necessary to ensure proper flow and prevent pressure build-up in the day tank. Fuel filters are also a consideration. The placement of the day tank below the engine may require the addition of fuel filters or separators to remove any debris or contaminants that may accumulate in the tank. It's important to note that this configuration is not typical in genset installations and may have been implemented for specific design or operational considerations.